A victory for 3 churches in the Fraser Valley and a loss for the province today. A judge has refused to issue an injunction against the churches that are flouting public health orders and holding in-person services. As CTV's Shannon Patterson reports, the ruling is only the beginning of this legal fight.
Well, I feel great, of course. Very happy for my clients.
His clients, 3 Fraser Valley churches who are defying public health orders by welcoming in-person worshipers. The province asked the BC Supreme Court to issue an injunction against Riverside Calvary Chapel in Langley, Emmanuel Covenant Reformed Church in Abbotsford, and Free Reformed Church in Chilliwack.
If the injunction had been granted, my clients would have faced the prospect of contempt of court if they didn't shut down. Thankfully, we don't have to worry about that very difficult decision.
Chief Justice Christopher Hinkson dismissed the injunction request, arguing the province already has the ability to enforce or change the public health order as it sees fit, saying in court last Friday, "I shouldn't be doing Dr. Henry's job. If she wants police to have the ability to arrest people, the order can be amended, can't it?"
Today's court decision is just the beginning. The same lawyer will be back before the same Supreme Court justice next month to argue it's unconstitutional for the provincial government to shut down church services.
In March, the onus will be on the Crown to show that these orders constitute what's called a reasonable limit prescribed by law, demonstrably justified in a free and democratic society. That's the test that the Crown has to face in March. And what we say is they can't meet that test.
In a statement, Dr. Bonnie Henry said, "I am confident that all PHO orders are in accordance with the law, and we look forward to the conclusion of the larger case that remains before the courts." As for the multiple $2,300 tickets that have been issued to the churches,
the fines are only payable if they're found guilty of the alleged infractions.
In his written ruling, Justice Hinkson said, "To be clear, I am not condoning the petitioner's conduct in contravention of the orders that they challenge. But until he rules on the larger charter issue, these 3 churches will continue to welcome worshipers." Shannon Patterson, CTV News.